Thanks for choosing Ringtone Store app. Connect your iPhone with iTunes. Go to Apps tab. Then you will find Ringtones app in File Sharing. Select Ringtone Store app, and your ringtones will show up in Documents file here. Click Save To and save your ringtones. After that, drag the ringtones files you saved to iTunes. Go back to your iPhone again and click Tones. Make sure you select All Ringtones from Sync Ringtones. Then sync your iPhone. Now you will find your ringtones in your iPhone. Enjoy Ringtone Store app.